Okay, so we doubled up the tarp, so it shouldn't leak that much. But hey, we said we're gonna post every Wednesday and weekend. And we're gonna post every Wednesday and weekend, even if it means ruining my truck.
It's just arranging.
We just have to make sure that tires don't get too low.
I don't need to be that heavy.
And don't worry guys, I'm gonna be editing this video this time.
Always been 100. I work. Put that on my block. Oh yeah. Used to want that 4-door. Now I want that drop. Yeah. Now I do what I want. What? Now I do what I want. Yeah. Now I do what I want. Yeah. Now I do what I want. Yeah. Now I do what I want.
This is so much water.
No, what?
We're gonna retry because we didn't do it that well and it started to leak.
We might as well give it all we got.
Alright, so we layered it up because last time it was leaking. We have 4 layers.
More than that.
We have like a lot of layers of tarp. So I mean, if it's not gonna work now, it's not gonna work, period.
We're in floaties. Do I look ripped?
Yeah, you look pretty buff, bro. Scuba.
Oh my, oh boy, oh boy.
I think there's some inflatables up there, isn't there?
Wait, we can use that for when you go on like the Clinton River with it video.
Alright.
Okay. Were you at my house and we made those all the time?
Yeah.
Yo, so can you
The store? Just like find some?
Go get a blender and make some drinks. Yeah, what can you make, what can you like mix?
I have frozen fruit.
Now, to embrace the summer, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make drinks. We're gonna make some, do you have like fancy glasses?
I might have some fancy glasses.
Delicious.
Like pineapples. Strawberry.
Pineapple, no, put pineapple in it. It makes it tropical. It's okay. You don't have to actually drink it. Cranberry, yeah, cranberry mango. And get some orange juice while you're at it. And we're good to go.
Okay, we're making our special tropical drink. Oh, here we go.
Nice. So explain to me what the basis of this drink is.
Some strawberries. The basis is how tropical can we get?
Dude, put more than 3. Put like 4.
Oh my
Come on.
God, fine.
Strong. Potassium.
It tastes very tropical. Is that good?
That looks about right.
Should I put some ice
It might be really like, yeah, you need a lot of ice.
Freezy.
Stacks. A lot of it. You need a lot.
It's sticking to me.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost sugar salt.
Step by step, I take it, need a million a day. I still hate it, I might merely rock away. Hop out foreigns made in 2012, the end is on the way. Like a child getting dinner, I've been eating, I can't play.
I'm trying to keep my faith. We on a ultralight beam, we on a ultralight beam. This is a God dream, this is a God dream. This is everything. This is everything. Deliver us serenity.
The one that believes in anything is possible will try anything. Will attempt greatness. Will risk everything to be anything but average. And even if they miss the target, they will be far ahead of the one that never tries.